say?
That's a nice kettle.
Yeah. Okay, so we are currently in Kmart and I'm very happy because we always just come into Kmart and go, oh, like I wish I could buy something, blah blah blah.
Do you reckon that's the nicest one?
The white one?
We'll go with that house.
Yeah, I think
that's the theme we're going for.
that's nice, and that's like a nice little switch and stuff.
Either of these. What do you like better? To be honest, actually. It's only 20 minutes. No.
I prefer
No, we'll go better with that kitchen.
Just wait, yeah. Alright.
Of course, I can.
I like those washing baskets.
We've got enough washing baskets.
Yeah, but those are pretty.
Yeah, we've got enough. I'm on to you, Mama.
We've got one of these.
That's kind of right. We've got a couple.
Okay.
That is a nice looking one, but they stay in the cupboard.
Yeah. Well, we're not even a quarter way through the store and we're going to get a bigger trolley because this is not going to work. You're all the same size, are they? Yeah.
They'll fit.
How good does all this look though? It all matches perfectly. It makes me so happy. Okay, so far it's been very successful. I'm very happy with how well it all matches. We're sticking with the white bamboo kind of like glass, like marble feel, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we have. And this is the scary part because they're all so cheap and they're all like $2-3 and we're like, sweet, it's so cheap. What's your guess? Like 150?
No. 100.
100?
Probably.
Alright.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type.
Okay, we're all done in Kmart now. That's the result. Sam is now in JB Hi-Fi getting us a TV, which I'm very, very excited about. It's a very nice TV and it's on sale, so very happy about that. There's also a health food store I've just spotted over there. I'm very tempted, but I have to man this, so this is testing all of my restraint right now. Alright, so I somehow found myself in Maya looking at all of the cutlery and plates and everything, and these are what I picked up so far. I absolutely love them. This is on sale, so I was like, might as well. This is just like stunning, and like I can so picture like having my smoothie bowls every morning. Like, can you just picture that? I can picture that. And then this plate, I'm not sure if you can see, it's like speckled, but it's just like one of those like cool ceramic kind of ones. And I'm not sure how boring this is for everyone else, but I love this stuff, so I love it. You okay? Yeah. Enjoy your afternoon. Thank you. See you guys. Whoops. Oh my god. It's massive.
Looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into me.
Alright, welcome back.
That was so much fun. Like, we literally, ever since we started dating, we've gone into Kmart and like said like, oh, one day when we move out, we can buy these plates and we can buy that storage, you know.
Yeah. We'll do a mad haul when we get home.
Yeah.
No, it's too bright.
It's not.
Makes me look white, guys. I'm basically the Rock tan, but this is just not doing me justice.
Okay, we're back now, and we thought we'd give you a little bit of a haul.
We're not sponsored by Kmart.
Although I wouldn't be disappointed if I was. So basically we just went to like get the essentials, really.
Well, and a little bit more.
The essentials and a little bit more.
Essentials and then got a bit excited. But
yeah,
most of it is pretty good.
Yeah.
Either essential
like
or useful.
we needed all of them.
Yeah, or we'll use.
Or we want. Okay, so first thing we got these little like pantry dividers just for like spices and jars, so we can have it like them all showing, so they're not just like all piled together, you know. So excited to make my pantry like just so organized. Next, we've got some glass jars. Ooh.
This is a glass table. These are heavy glass jars. Please don't have it on there. That would be no bond.
For like meal preps, and if we make anything. I wanted some glass ones instead of like plastic ones, so very excited about that.
This is for soap. This is for utensils.
Can you be a bit more descriptive?
So we've got a marble bench top, so we've got some kind of marble matching, this is for our kitchen soap dispenser. This is for like our scrubbing brush.
Yeah, to put next
to go next to that and match. It will look better on the bench, we'll show you.
Yeah, I'm a fan of those, I really like. Next!
I made you get those.
Yeah. I just wanted this because I thought with a nice little single flower, I've seen these around quite a bit and I just really like them. It was like $1.50 and I was like, alright, I'll do it. Next we got these little jars, and I think just like having maybe a bit of like salt in some of them next to like the stove, and maybe one with sugar in it. I just thought they were really cute.
A couple of big glasses, just because I like them and they were 75 cents.
Yes. Next, we got these storage things for the cupboard. If there's like some stuff that looks a bit messy, or just to kind of like divide Sam's stuff, my stuff, and Max's stuff as well. Picked up 2 of these. As you can see, there's one here as well. So it's like one big one and then 2 little ones inside. So I just think that'll just like make the pantry look a lot better and like more organized.
New dish rack, because when we got this plastic white, it looks like trash.
Yeah, so it doesn't look very good.
Nice bamboo one.
As you can see, we're kind of going for like the wooden, white kind of feel. We also just picked up some kind of boring, just some like
wall hangings, because we can't put anything into the wall here because it's rent.
Because we rent, yeah.
And a couple of pins for our...
Yeah. Whiteboard, you got upside down, but it's okay.
Oh.
Whiteboard and corkboard. So we're gonna like write just like
notes, memos, weekly shit.
Like yeah, just things we've got to remember, and then like stick some stuff up, maybe like meal plans for the week and like
pictures.
Like pictures.
Milk frother, a nice wooden mop. Costed $2 extra than the normal plastic one.
But it was cool because it was bamboo and white, or beige.
Serious mop and done with this bad boy. Also, there's one more thing.
Oh yes.
That we got.
The biggest thing of all. Also, how nice are these? Both from Target, I think. I want to show you after we finish this the view, because the sun is setting. It's very nice. We got a massive TV.
That's not massive.
It's massive.
It's big. It's 50-inch 4K Ultra HD smart TV. So that was pretty good. That's our haul.
There was a few things that were like, we don't need this right now, so we'll come back later.
Yeah.
Like a few
we gotta get it in bits.
Yeah.
You guys want to see what I'm cooking for dinner?
Oh yeah.
Sam made dinner tonight. Which one is it? Nope. Yeah. I've had in the slow cooker all day.
Honestly smells like when you walk into an Indian restaurant. It smells so good. Now I'm very excited, to set everything up. I'll show you what.
Mess, by the way.
Yeah, the apartment's kind of very messy at the moment, but that's okay. We're still getting used to everything. I'll show you the pantry at the moment. Can you turn the light on, please? It's looking very messy. As you can see, I've got some of my jars here, but like none of them. See how I mean about them? Like there's like some back there that I can't read and everything. So
hold up. Yeah. Hashtag not sponsored, but wanna be.
As you can see, it's very messy. We've kind of just been chucking everything in.
Oh,
by the way, I just shattered my glass straw in my smoothie. I'm so sad about it because I've got my little straws here. Anyway, so yeah, we've got some nice things. Like I'm obsessed with these jars, but it just needs to be organized. So that's kind of why we bought these. So I'm hoping we might even have to go back and get some more another day. I just want to make my cupboard and my pantry just like so beautiful. You know, when you open up a pantry, I just want it to be so satisfying. So anyway, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna put these in and try and make it look a bit better than this because it's so messy. Can you stop just talking when I am talking, because then I have to say it again. So I'm going to start reorganizing. I'm going to put them in. By the way, got this flavor the other day from Botanica Blends. It is custard filled cinnamon donut flavor. It's really good.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? First time, dear.
Oh my goodness, this looks so good.
Remember, can I take you there?
Quick intermission, the big reveal. Are you ready? Ooh yeah. By the way, I'm getting rid of this. I don't like this. Also, this is all of our mess that we need to sort out. That's actually like, it looks big in the area.
No,
you know,
it's a good size TV.
It's a good size. Oh my goodness, I look so pale. Okay, so I'm very sorry about my voice. I know how bad I sound, but the past couple of days my cold has just like escalated. I think it's just because I've been having late nights and early mornings. I've just not really been like on peak with my nutrition and everything, so I'm very excited to get all back into it. And it's Sunday tomorrow, so I'm planning on filming like a whole Sunday vlog where I like kind of get my life in order, do some meal planning. I haven't been able to train in like a week as well, so I'm just like, I just don't feel like I'm peaking at the moment. Anyway, I was just editing the vlog that you have just seen. That was like a day ago now. Hold on, I need some tea. I realized that I never actually showed the pantry, and it's not done yet, but it's definitely looking a lot better than it was. So I thought I would show you. So this is what the pantry is looking like at the moment. These are like my jars. Sorry, my voice sounds so annoying. I can just hear myself and I'm getting annoyed. I do like how clean that's looking, and I feel like when I just get some more jars, it'll look much better and like have them all matching like those. Here we've got some bigger jars, so like oats, corn puffs, some cereals, some granola, maple syrup, and then in here I'm gonna kind of make this like my supplement little container. So I've got some collagen and some MSM and stuff. I haven't got all of my supplements here just yet, but also when the whole pantry's done, I'll do like a whole proper pantry tour. And then this is where it starts to get a bit messy because we've got like spices and sauces here, cans back there, and some pasta sauces, some more rice, nutritional yeast. Here's some of like the packet messy stuff. So that's like the 2-minute noodles that the boys will be having. Some of my pastas in there, and like some wraps and stuff. Here we've got like tea and biscuits and stuff, and I think I want to get some jars for my teas and stuff to make them look a bit neater, or either get like another one of these storage containers to make it look a bit neater. And then down here, that's like Max's little box, and I think we're kind of treating this as like supplements, like our own things as well. Like I've got my protein powder, Sam's got a couple things here, and then down here I have literally like so many of my Love & Co little nut bars and cookies. So yeah, it's definitely not where I want it just yet, but it's definitely a big improvement. So yeah, that's just a little bit of an update on the pantry. I want to just kind of give you like a quick little sneak peek into what it's looking like, and just like the process of trying to create the ultimate pantry. So yeah, I think I'll end the vlog here just because I feel like everyone's probably getting so annoyed at my voice like I am, and I should probably stop talking and just rest it. So yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. I have no doubts there are going to be so many more like Kmart trips and my trips and Target trips as I slowly make the apartment exactly how I want it, and then eventually we'll do an apartment tour as well, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, anyway, I'm really gonna go now, rest my voice. Give the video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, subscribe if you would like to see more, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!